Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, and I would super appreciate it. We're almost to the 1,300 subscribers, so that big giveaway is just days away. Just a few days away, and if you subscribe, then you can be part of that giveaway, which is pretty fantastic. And if you subscribe, you also get to see all my videos and support my channel, which I super appreciate, and really know that you have a lot of other places that you can go and visit on the YouTube. I'm just grateful that you stopped here today. Today I've got a brand new palette, and I'm super excited about it. It is the Milani Gilded Getaway palette. Look how cute that is. Look at the detail on those curtains and the little sky in the window. That's pretty great detail. And the back looks like this. And the color story is gorge. Look how pretty that is, and it goes perfect with my new tie-dye top. I love a tie-dye top if you guys haven't noticed, but look how beautiful this is. And we're going to do some swatches. So you'll see swatches in just a snap. And here are the swatches. A little messy, but they are there, and it is pretty pigmented. And I am excited. This is like my flush tone, and this is a cool taupe color. So let's get started with a look with this beautiful new palette. First up, I'm going to go into my crease with, oh, the names are so tiny. This is, I think it says A-frame. And that is a great base color, and it's much nicer looking than the swatch that I had. Next up, where shall we go? I think I'm going to go for this kind of terracotta red, which it says called Campfire. I think that's super pretty. Let's go with, I think, the bronze on the lid, which is called Vacay Goals. And that really brightens it up quite a bit. I'm going to get a blending brush and blend out the red. Kind of blends away a little on this side. Just trying to get my eyes even. It's very difficult because they are different sizes and all that good stuff, and I'm obsessed with how each eye is different but the same. I'm going to go back into the A-frame. And I think I'm going to go into my crease, my outer corner actually, with Under the Stars, which is a shimmer. It's kind of a blackish green with glitter in it. I think I'm going to put a pop of gold in the center, which is right here. My gold isn't showing up. Oh yeah, it is. It really brightens the eye look up. And I think this is ready for liner and lashes. Very cute. It's a little dark and smoky for spring, but you know, I don't let the world dictate my eye looks. I am a rebel. I am a loner. I am going to use the Milani. No, I won't. I'm going to use the Stay All Day liner. That Milani tank eyeliner is really good, but it really stays on like a tank. And now some lashes. And I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Thug Proof Lashes. Mascara. Whatever, you know what I'm talking about. And that is really pretty. Such a nice smoky look. And I will be using Unicorn Blood from my lippy from Jeffree Star. And this is a great look with a fun new palette from Milani, which is called the Gilded Getaway. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.